Yeah, you used to be a 10, but now you're a 5. What you mean I'm a 5? What you mean I'm a 5? What you mean I'm a 5? Well, when you was out there dating, she thought you was a 10, right? And he thought she was a 10. You're still really a 10, but you're a 10 together. Now you're 5, she's 5, you're 10. Because you have to compromise, okay? If you still think you're the player running around, you can go out there, sniff around, play around, da-da-da-da-da, then it's going to be an imbalance. And if you think you top diva, girly pop, blah, 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 you know what I'm saying, sister thing and all of that, and you think you're a 10, it's going to be 15. This ain't going to work. So both of y'all become 5s. 2 people become 1. You understand? So I'm trying to tell you that all of that stuff that y'all did to get each other, keep doing that for each other. But some of that ego, some of that extra is going to have to become humility. All right? Y'all going to have to focus on God and each other in a loving fashion. But all that, I used to be in these streets. You know what I'm saying? I used to be with this man. Oh, yeah, it just made me think about this girl I used to date back in the day. And there was a club in New Jersey called LT's, Lawrence Taylor's. Now, why was she over my apartment and she trying to riff with me, right? Because she was a 10. You know what I'm saying? I guess her friends was 10s. But she's at my apartment and we got into some little disagreement. And she was like, well, that's why my girlfriends right now over there at LT's, they dating football players. They talking and flirting with football players. I could be over there. I was like, go over there then. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't stopping you, boo. You with me now still trying to act like you out there still on the dating tip and you a 10 out there walking around being cute. Be cute with me and be sweet with me. It will go far. Same with the men. You know what I'm saying? You know you got girls lined up. You just like, boom, make a little phone call, a little la. Here they come, but you can't be throwing that in her face. And you can't be throwing that in his face. It's me and you one-on-one against the world, like Houdini said. It's no more we out here just doing whatever y'all was doing. You know what I'm saying? Now it's time to bring it in. You know, like when y'all play sports and the coach say, bring it in. Bring it in. Let's have a powwow. Let's reset and replan and re-strategize so that we still can have a whole lot of fun in this life. Just you and me. All right? So y'all are still a 10. You can say you're a 10 and she's a 10, but that's really 20. Y'all, if y'all want to be 20, that's fine. But I'm saying, instead of you trying to act like you a 10 out there in the world and you act like you a 10 out in the world, y'all are 5 and 5 coming together as the perfect 10 in this relationship. Amen? You got me? Feel me? All right. Mr. O, gotta go. I keep saying Mr. O because I'm a teacher, yo. Yo, Kamal Imani, yo. All right? Advice. Serious. Peace.